Vivo S19, a camera-centric phone just launched few days ago. Fast refresh rate AMOLED display, 50-megapixel main camera, super slim in design, huge battery, and many more. Today I am going to show you a review of Vivo S19. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. First, let's talk about the design of the Vivo S19. Compared to its predecessor, this phone comes with some changes in design. This time, the phone features a flat screen instead of a curved one. It boasts a huge 6.78-inch display with a resolution of 1.5K. The bezels around the screen are quite thin, giving it a higher screen-to-body ratio. The screen also has a pixel density of 452 ppi and a maximum brightness of 1200 nits. One downside is that the screen's manual max brightness is only up to 600 nits. However, the phone feels quite good in hand because it's only 7.19mm thick and weighs 193 grams. This is unexpected considering it houses a huge 6000 mAh battery. The back of the phone is slightly curved, making it comfortable to hold even with one hand. The phone's appearance is quite attractive, especially in the peach blossom fan color variant, which comes with a unique pattern that catches the eye. This pattern is exclusive to the peach color variant and offers different patterns when viewed from different angles under varying lighting conditions. Additionally, the camera module design resembles a sunrise cloud street design, with the color of the camera module matching the back color of the phone. Moreover, Vivo's signature aura light, characteristic of the S series, is also visible on the phone. Overall, the phone's design is quite attractive, especially with its unique back pattern. The frame of the phone is made of plastic, while the back is made of glass. However, the biggest feature of the Vivo S19 is its huge battery combined with its lightweight and slim design. With its 6000 mAh battery, here's how the endurance looks. Playing King of Glory for an hour consumes about 15% of the battery, watching online videos for an hour uses around 7%, and browsing for an hour takes up approximately 6% of the battery. If you use the phone heavily, the battery easily lasts a day, and with medium usage, it can last up to 2 days. For charging the battery, the phone supports 80 watts fast charging, which can charge the battery up to 70% in just 30 minutes. In terms of performance, the phone is equipped with a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, scoring 938,605 points on the Antutu running score. This means you can easily play games like King of Glory on the phone. However, when playing heavy games like Genshin Impact, you may notice some lag, and the average frame rate may reach up to 45 frames per second. In other games, you might experience fewer shuddering issues, and the phone doesn't tend to heat up excessively. Moving on to the camera, the Vivo S19 features a rear-facing dual-camera setup. It includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, developed by Vivo itself, with OIS, along with a secondary 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. In addition, the camera setup features studio-level soft aura light. Moving to the front camera, the Vivo S19 boasts a 50-megapixel wide-angle sensor with studio-level dual-axis halo light. You can see camera samples here.
The infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Talking about the price of the Vivo S19, the base variant starts at around 2,499 Chinese yuan in China, which roughly £272 in UK and $345 US. In conclusion, the biggest advantage of the phone is its trendy design, along with its sleek and lightweight build. Additionally, it boasts an ultra-long 6000 mAh battery and flagship-grade fast charging support. Moreover, the phone delivers excellent portrait photos as well. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. well as me signing off. Thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.